morning, guys. Right now we are headed back to Meguiar's. I was actually there right now with my buddy Chris. They're filming a little video with his GTR. Came to get some donuts real quick for everyone there. And I want to show you guys something that's there when I get there. It's so sick. You guys will recognize the car when I get there. I'll show you guys. Yeah, we're starting the morning off pretty early. Right now it's already 10. I woke up around 8. I'm not a morning person, to be honest, so I'm kind of tired. And then later on we're gonna go down to pick up my headlights and meet with Chris from Flyride, who's actually doing my headlights right now. And we're gonna film a video together, I think, on his channel though, so I'll let you guys know how that goes after. This thing is so nice, so clean too. I don't know how they keep that big thing clean. When you come to Meguiar's, everything's clean. I'm gonna show you guys what's in that garage right now. Look at this thing, man. It's so clean. If you guys don't recognize this car, this is actually TJ Hunt's car. It's here at Meguiar's before it gets sent off to SEMA. Looks so nice. Wow.
You know, that Red Wings hat makes it all worthwhile right there.
Pretty cool seeing TJ's car in person right before it gets sent off to SEMA. We're gonna head back home and go pick up my headlights and go shoot a video with Chris from Flyride. So he wants to shoot a video and he wants me to be there, wants me to see him put my headlights back together and stuff. So it should be cool. It's so much quieter than I expected. I thought it was gonna be at least kind of loud. All right, so we picked up the bumper earlier today. They just resprayed the lip, they fixed the crack and everything. They said there was a little bit more damage on the bumper than just that, probably like the little rock chips and stuff they had to fill in. But the whole bumper is painted, or not the whole bumper, just the lips painted. I did notice that there is a lot of little rock chips right here that I didn't see when I dropped off the bumper. So honestly, I'm just gonna get this painted later on, but it's not too bad. My friend's on his way right now to detail my whole car, so I have to get the whole car ready right now. Have to put on the new headlights, which I will show you guys right now. They're right there. And the bumper, gotta clean this thing because it's super dusty. And then I gotta clean the whole garage. He's gonna be here in like 20 minutes, so it doesn't really give me that much time, but I want to clean all of this stuff out, move all these boxes and stuff. That way he has a lot of room in here. That way he can detail the car, because he's going to wash it out there and clay bar it, and then he's going to bring it in here, and then he's going to start polishing it and then ceramic coating the car. I do have to take the bumper back though to the shop on Saturday, because they told me the bumper was supposed to be done in a week, and then it actually took them 2 weeks, and they didn't color sand the lip. So I'm gonna take it to the shop early in the morning around 9. Get the lip color sanded, because they have to do that, it's recommended. I'll show you guys the headlights right now. So we went with gloss black. When I dropped them off, I didn't tell them if I wanted them matte black or gloss black. I had them matte black before, they looked really good. I kind of just wanted him to choose, I guess. I was like, I'll see what he picks and just go with it. Either or looks really good, gloss or matte. Gloss is actually a lot harder to hide little defects in the headlights, and dust gets on them and you can't really clean it because it'll scratch the paint. Let's see how these look. I probably would have chosen matte black. We'll see how these look in gloss. These got professionally painted, so Chris from Fly Rice sent these to his guy that painted them. It wasn't painted with a rattle can. It was actually done at a shop where they paint. Alright, the homie Baldo showed up to detail the Z, so he's gonna park the truck right here and clean it outside. Yo, is that thing Newsom approved?
Which one?
Is your blower Newsom approved? It's not gas, right?
Fucking electric, bro. That's that shit.
I was like, did you pop a light bulb?
Bro, that shit was so loud.
Like the Chick-fil-A buffalo sauce.
I'm like wax on, wax off right now.
Not only are you cleaning the car, but now you're bumping the walls. The car's all done. It's fully ceramic coated. It looks so clean. I still haven't pulled it out yet to see what it looks like. It's dark outside already, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out tomorrow morning. Tomorrow I have to take the car to Wekfest to put it inside the convention center. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that tomorrow. Everyone goes in at 3, and then Sunday is the day of the show. So, but yeah, dude, you can see my reflection. It's so crazy. Look how nice that looks. And I'm filming with the GoPro right now. It's a little bit better to film with the GoPro in the garage because the other camera's so close up. With the other camera, it's gonna look a lot better. You'll be able to see it a lot cleaner, but man, it looks so good. How wet the hatch looks. I'm gonna throw the headlights on and then we'll throw the bumper on. And we should be all good for tomorrow. The car should be ready. Besides me not having a hood still. I feel like I have to mention this in every video because then people are like, bro, where's your hood, this and that. The hood, I ordered it in May. So my hood is most likely stuck in the ocean right now with other people's stuff. I know LilTech has been waiting on his hood for his Evo since May. He told me that as well. It's not just me, guys. Here's the headlights. I didn't really show you guys yesterday. I'll give you guys a quick sneak peek of what they look like real fast. They look so clean. I'm gonna go ahead and throw those on right now. I waited 5 months for these things right here. And these aren't even the ones I ordered in May because they're probably stuck in the ocean right now in one of those crates. So I posted on Instagram if anyone had these, and 3 people hit me up that they just had them laying around brand new. So boom, some fresh Nismo lug nuts. These things are so sick. They look like they're used or worn out, and that's kind of how they come. And it says Nismo on the top. Pretty sick, open end lug nuts. It's the little details like this that count. Yeah, I'm gonna put these on. I've had these blue ones right here for about 3 years since I got my first set of wheels, which were the Cosmos. I got these for free from Barstone, one of the guys that works there. And I've been rocking these things for 3 years, so it's gonna match so well with like the engraved lettering right here where it says Nismo. They look so clean, so much better than those other blue ones. They're like nicely flush with the holes right here too, so they don't stick out. I like that, it looks clean. I'll show you guys with this camera what the headlights look. I still have to clean them up a little bit. I just woke up, I look kind of tired, huh? But so yeah, if you guys want your car ceramic coated or anything like that, you guys can hit him up. I'll link his Instagram down below in the description, and I'll put it right here as well too, so you guys can see it. He killed it on my car, honestly. He did a really good job. So shout out to you, Baldo. Thank you so much. He drove like 4 hours out here, spent the whole day down here, and drove back home at midnight. So thank you so much for that. I really appreciate you. It's also the homie too. I'll link his personal account too. He has a sick ass top mount booster 370Z. Also shout out to Flyride. Thank you so much for doing my headlights. So what he does now is he does classes online. So if you guys want to learn how to take apart your headlights, or you guys want to add lights in there, you know, do custom headlight work, you guys can hit him up. I'll link his YouTube channel down below in the description. I think he has a free online course for you guys that he told me I can link down below, so you guys can check it out if you guys want to learn how to do your own headlights. You know, I could trust him with my headlights, and I really wanted my OEM headlights done like perfect this time. So I mean, I wanted them perfect last time too, but since they were brand new, I was not gonna take any chances, and I knew I can trust him. So he killed it on my headlights. It was cool. I got to go there and see him put them together and everything. I didn't film myself while I was there, but he filmed a whole video on how to take apart 350Z headlights. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys can go ahead and check out his YouTube videos on it. On the next video you guys see, I'm gonna be taking the car down to Wekfest, however you wanna say it. So you guys will see the car then, how it looks ceramic coated, the new lights and everything. Stay tuned for the next video, and hopefully I see a lot of you guys at Wekfest.